guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, hi, I'm Lauren. I don't know how you found me, but please definitely stay. So today's video is unboxing the Glossybox and the Look Fantastic box. So before I open them, I just want to say quickly that I had 2 weeks off of not filming due to being really ill. As you can probably tell in my voice, I still got the cold. The last little bits, so it's the last thing to go. It always drags on for me, but yeah, you can tell in my voice. My voice does come back now and again, and sometimes it goes a bit croaky, but it's the last thing. It's the first thing that comes on, and then it's the last thing to go. But yeah, for the last 2 weeks, I have not uploaded, so I do apologise for that. I've had that really bad cold or flu or whatever it is that's going around, and that really did knock me off my feet. Now, I was at work at the time on Thursday, well, from Monday to Thursday I was absolutely fine until we was getting all ready to go home. Someone coughed in my face, and yeah, not saying sorry or anything like that, they just coughed in my face. And then I woke up Friday morning and I had like a really bad sore throat, and I thought, oh my god, I know I'm gonna get a cold. As soon as I get a sore throat, that is it, I'm gonna get a cold. And then obviously I went to work, and throughout the day the symptoms was getting worse. I was feeling really sick. I had a headache, I felt chilly, like so cold, like my whole body was in a freezer. And obviously where we're packing the products, it was making it 10 times worse. The symptoms just got worse and worse and worse. I was not sleeping. Yeah, it was really bad. I've never felt a cold like this before. So when obviously I went home on the Friday, I spent Friday, Saturday, Sunday, Monday in bed. I did not move. Obviously went to work on Tuesday, then come home, went back into work for Wednesday, Thursday and Friday. But yeah, I feel a bit more better. It's just the last little bits that's going, and I thought, you know what, I'm gonna film for you guys. You know what, I had loads of videos already planned out, and I thought, right, this video is gonna go up this day, this video is gonna go up this day. And then obviously I had that cold, and I thought, oh my god, it's just literally just thrown everything out of sync. I bought loads of stuff for my dressing table, I couldn't even sort that out. I had loads of video ideas, I couldn't even film, I couldn't hardly talk. I was so drowsy, I was sleepy, you know, you name it. So I felt so ill for the last 2 weeks. That is why I haven't uploaded. I did put a post up on Instagram saying that there won't be any uploads, and I did actually write a little comment thing on my YouTube channel as well, just to let you guys know there won't be any uploads. But yeah, that's the reason why there was no uploads for the last 2 weeks. I had that really terrible flu. I feel better, it's just the last little bit that needs to go. So it's the coughing, and if we see, it's my voice, as you can tell. But I feel better, and I'm ready to film for you guys again. And it's been a very long minute since I last filmed, so I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. So these boxes actually came together, I think, but by the time they came, obviously I felt really ill, so I couldn't film them. I normally do them separately, but I thought, you know what, I'm going to change it out. I'm going to do both boxes at once. I've already opened them to see what products I've got inside. So if I remember rightly, this is not the January box. I think this might be some sort of like Christmassy one or the New Year one, I'm not too sure. The fantastic one is the January version. So I'm going to open them both now so you guys can see. So starting off with the Glossybox, it smells incredible, it really does. If I remember rightly, the January Glossybox it's like a little drawer one. I don't know why I didn't get that one. But I'm not complaining. A Glossybox is a Glossybox to me, and it had the pucker night sachets. I think you had 2 of them in, but yeah, I'm not complaining. I've still got a box at the end of the day. So yeah, obviously I have already opened this up. So this is called the Winter Secrets box. If you've not subscribed to Glossybox before, they are beautiful. You get like 5 size products, and you can cancel at any time as well. I will leave all the information about Glossybox and the Look Fantastic in the description box below for you guys. And obviously at the end of the year you get the advent calendars as well, which they are incredible. I absolutely love them personally because I've had them before. I will try and leave the opening the advent calendar in the description box below as well, because you get so many amazing products in there and they are absolutely incredible. You get full size products, you get like testers, and I absolutely love it. It is a Lottie London metallic eyeshadow, and this is called Golden Hour. I think I've already got one of these. I've not even used it yet. I'm trying to find a time and a place where I can actually use it, because it's like a little festive one. So yeah, it's called Golden Hour. I don't know if you guys can see that, so we've got that. Then we have a Espa body wash. Now I love Espa. Espa is amazing. It smells like a spa. So if you want a home spa and you don't want to pay the full prices of actually going to a spa, then I highly recommend this product. Then we have a Wild Science Juice Boost Brightening Serum. Now I have loads of serums, so I tend to try and just keep the same ones I always use. I do try and use new ones if I can to see how my skin reacts to them, but yeah, I tend to use the same ones all the time. You get 5 full-size products in here. Then you have Fix and Rouge Smooth Set Flawless Filter. I've not actually used anything like this before, so I cannot wait to actually try that. And then the last thing you get in the Glossybox is the Gold Flakes No Crease Clips by So Eco. Now I've actually used these clips before just to tie back my hair, so when I'm getting ready to go out, or it's a girls' night out and I'm trying to style my hair, but I want to do my makeup first, so I just get all my hair down and pop these clips in so it keeps all my hair away from my face. So these are very, very handy. I've got loads of these sort of clips in my drawer now. But yeah, that is the Glossybox one done. I will show you all the products at the end properly. So let's open the Look Fantastic one. Again, I will pop the Look Fantastic information in the description box below for you guys. If you don't know about Fantastic, they do these cardboard boxes now. I don't know whether it's just trying to save the environment, but yeah, they do these boxes and it's exactly the same. You get 5 to 4 size products in here. It's hard trying to show you without trying to tip the products out, but I absolutely love this month's box. So you get a little tester of the Peter Thomas Roth Instant Firm Eye Therapy, eye tightener. I've never even used this before, so it'd be very exciting to actually try that out. Sometimes I obviously say I'm going to try things out and then I put them all in the drawers and I completely forget about them. I always do it to every single product, I don't know why. And then when I go through the drawers, I'm like, oh yeah, I should have tested that out, or I should have tried that. It's really, really irritating. I've got to start trying out new stuff. So this is called the Dr. Paw Your Gorgeous Skin Hydrating Facial Mist. This is brilliant. I absolutely love this. I actually tried this when I actually opened the box. It really does hydrate your skin and it smells incredible as well, and I absolutely love that. Then we have a This Works Perfect Legs and Body Butter. Now I've tried the This Works Pillow Mist, which did smell really, really nice. It never actually sent me off to sleep, but yeah, I do like This Works because they are really, really nice and they do smell nice. I'm leaving something to last because it's my favourite. Then we have a Philip Kingsley conditioner treatment. Now I've had quite a few Philip Kingsley products now and I've never even used them. I should start trying out new products this year. That should be my thing this year, start trying out new products. But yeah, I've never tried Philip Kingsley products before, so I want to try and start using that just to see how it reacts to my skin and my scalp, to see if it's any good. We have another one of those Peter Thomas eye treatment ones. So yeah, I've got 2 little ones of them. I don't know if that was a mistake, but I now have 2 of them. Then I have a little tester of the Lancôme Paris serum. So these little testers are actually quite good because you can try them out, see how they react to your skin, and if you get a reaction then you obviously won't buy the full size products. But I I think I've got a L'Oreal Paris one, which I've been dying to try, but I keep forgetting about it. But yeah, it's good to have these little testers because, like I said, you can try them out. If you have a reaction, then you ain't got to spend all that money on the full size product. So yeah, I'm so excited for that. And last but no means least is the LMS Pro Collagen Cleansing Balm. I love LMS products. If you've not tried the LMS products before, I highly recommend the cleansing balm. They are amazing. They can help melt your makeup away, and then your skin is so smooth. It smells incredible as well, and you have loads of different new flavours as well. You've got the new flavour that's out. I think it's something to do with like black cherry or something like that. So I'm going to try and find that and try and buy it. But yeah, I love the LMS products. I have actually got a video coming up about all my LMS products. Most of all my LMS products, which I got from my advent calendar, and I'm so excited because I love them. But yeah, I've now got another Pro Collagen Cleansing Balm from LMS. So these are all the products you get in the Look Fantastic January box. I absolutely love them. There's a couple of things here that I really do need to try. And then these are all the products from Glossybox. Again, everything you need to know about Look Fantastic and Glossybox will be in the description box below for you guys. So guys, that is going to conclude today's video. Please excuse my voice. It is really irritating even for me, but I just wanted to carry on filming because obviously it keeps my mind off other things as well. And yeah, it's just this cold just basically going, and it's taking a very, very long time to recover properly. But yeah, I just wanted to film for you guys anyway because you guys have waited for 2 weeks now for uploads, and I know some of you are probably thinking, oh my god, because the last upload I done was the revamping of my dressing table, and I haven't really showed you all the new stuff I've done, how to organise. I've changed a lot of things in my drawers. I've changed a few things on my desk, which you probably might be able to see a little sneak preview. But there's so much new stuff on my dressing table. There will be a full tour coming up as well. So I hope you guys enjoy that video. But yeah, I hope you guys have enjoyed today's video. If you have, give it a like, comment and subscribe. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye guys.